Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan cake in the oven. First, let's create that signature caramel. You'll melt sugar directly in your baking pan over low heat until it turns a beautiful amber color. Carefully swirl the pan to coat the bottom and a bit up the sides. This step is crucial for the flan's presentation and flavor. Set it aside to cool and harden while we prepare the creamy custard mixture. This simple start sets the stage for a delicious dessert. Now let's focus on the creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk together eggs, sweetened condensed milk, and evaporated milk until well combined. Don't overmix. We want to avoid too many air bubbles. A splash of vanilla extract enhances the flavor beautifully. For an extra smooth flan, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined baking pan. This removes any bits of egg or unmixed ingredients, ensuring a perfectly silky texture. Baking flan requires a gentle touch, and a water bath is key. Carefully place your flan pan into a larger roasting pan. Then, pour hot water into the larger pan, ensuring it comes about halfway up the sides of your flan pan. This water bath creates a moist, even cooking environment, preventing the custard from curdling or cracking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 to 75 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your flan cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. This gradual cooling helps it set properly. Then transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. Chilling is essential for the flan to firm up and for the caramel to liquefy perfectly. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge, invert it onto a serving plate, and watch that beautiful caramel cascade down. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.